Well, welcome back to Chanaron. Today I'm going to show you how to put your generator away for the summertime. This is how I do it. There's many other ways of doing this, but this is how I do it. It's the quickest way to do it, and it's obviously the cheapest way to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to start your generator, and all you're going to do is you're going to turn off the fuel. Once you turn off the fuel, you're going to go ahead and let it run out of gas. Once it runs out of gas, you're going to crank it over a couple more times with the choke on to pull the rest of the gas out of the bowl of the carburetor, and you're good for the summer. As far as the gas in the tank, I've never had a problem with it because it's something I'm going to be using next year anyway. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead and start the generator, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn the fuel off. And we're just going to go ahead and let it run dry, and that might take a couple of minutes to do so. Alright, so she just died. Now, this seemed to take a lot longer because I was waiting for it, but normally you just walk away from it. Alright, so now what's going to happen is I'm going to go ahead and put the choke on, and I'm going to go ahead and try to start it back up to pull some of the fuel back in. And it should fire up a little bit. There we go. Pull some of the gas out of there. I'm going to go ahead and choke it. I'm going to do that a couple more times. So that should be it. That should have pulled everything out of there. But sometimes I'll come back and wait a little bit just in case there's anything that's kind of seeping down in there. But that should do it. A little bit more. There we go. So now the carburetor is completely empty, and we can put this away. And I guarantee next winter when I need this, all I have to do is turn my fuel on, choke it, and it'll start back up. So that's pretty much all there is to it on putting a generator away for the winter. You can buy some additives to put in the fuel. I don't bother with that because we're only talking about 3 or 4 months when I'm going to be needing this again. So, well, I hope that helps you with putting your generator away for the season, and stay tuned for the next one.